Hi, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make oat cookies without using flour or sugar. So these are the ingredients I'm using for this. I'm using blended oat. I blend it myself. I'm using unblended oat. I'm using pumpkin seed and sunflower seed. I'm also using baking powder, cinnamon, honey, and coconut flakes. Of course, I did it myself too. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please subscribe and let's be friends, okay? And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave good comments, and share. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. Add your grinded oats in a bowl. Add the ungrinded one. And then pour in your seed, put your baking powder and cinnamon. So why I'm adding baking powder is because I want the cookies to rise, and cinnamon is just going to give it a flavor. After adding it, mix them together very well. And then add your coconut flakes and give it a mix as well. Next, add your honey. So I melted this honey in a microwave because it was too thick. When I was showing you guys the ingredients I'm using, I forgot to add oil on it. So you need oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can still use olive oil or coconut oil, whichever one you have. And the oil you are adding it depending on the quantity of oats you are using, the same as the honey. So after adding it, give it a mix until the honey and oil covers the oat oil. So I'm going to use my hands to mix it. I think using my hand is better. Adding oil on the oat will make the cookies look shiny on the outside and soft on the inside. So when it's properly mixed, this is how it's going to look. Next, bring out your baking tray. I'm going to put on the gloves because I don't want it to stick on my hands. So after wearing the gloves, you start molding the oat in a size you want it to be. Mold it round and then put it on the baking tray. So on my previous video, someone asked me why don't I use measurement? Well, I don't have, but it does not prevent you from cooking proper meal. Use your hands and your eye to measure. Oh, that is why I used to measure my own. One good thing about homemade meal is you are going to add ingredients the way you want it. And these cookies are super easy and so delicious. After molding it round, then use your fingers to flatten the oat. And then shape the corners and make it more round. So after doing that, put it in the oven and let it bake for 8 to 10 minutes before you bring it out, or until it is golden brown. Wow, look at it. It looks delicious without tasting it. Is there anything better than a soft, thick and chewy cookies? I have always been a huge fan of oatmeal cookies because there are so many different things you can mix into them and they are always delicious. So guys, I'm just going to show you how I preserve them. Each time I make a large quantity like this, I divide it into two and then put part of it in the freezer. And the other ones, I leave them in the fridge or I leave them outside. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. If you're new to my channel or you're still watching my videos, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's be friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.